swimming because we're right by the sea here.
Oh, okay. It's too close. How far the sea from you?
It's
Oh,
very,
you
very
gonna
close.
show me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Destiny. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? What's your name?
I'm good too. Thank you. And my name is Anuj, and I'm from India. Were you
I
busy?
I was in the bathroom.
Oh, okay, okay. So I was waiting for you. I thought, what happened? You're
Yeah,
not on
sorry.
time.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. So where are you now, and where are you from?
I'm from Ireland, but I live in Turkey.
Okay, you're in Turkey at this time.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, but I leave
Oh,
in I've been here for 3 months, so I leave in 2 weeks.
okay. So you came from Ireland 3 months ago.
So I had gone from I was around traveling around Spain, and then I went back to Ireland for a week and then came to Turkey.
Okay, 3 months ago.
Yeah, long time ago.
Cool. Okay. Tell me one thing that what's the sunrise time in Turkey at this time?
The sunrise, the
Yeah.
sunrise is about
When did you wake up? When did you wake up?
I woke up at 8.
You woke up at 8.
Yeah,
Okay.
now it's
And
9:30.
so were you able to see the sun when you
No, so,
woke up?
oh, no, of course, yeah. The sunrise is maybe about between 7:15 and 7:30.
Okay. And we have almost around. It's around 6:30
Yeah, I'd say
sunrise
it would be
time.
quite early, yeah, for sure. It's quite late in Turkey actually, because we have sunrise at the now they'd be different from the north to the south, but sunrise time in let's see, just to make sure, because generally I don't see it. Yeah, so 17 minutes past 7 it would happen. And then sunset
Right.
is 10 minutes past 7 in the evening.
Actually, the more you go in the west, the later the sunrise will be.
So then what time do you have your sunrise?
As I told you, it's around 6:30 these days.
Sorry, no, your sunset, not your sunrise.
Oh, sunset, you mean?
Mm.
So sunset, it is around 5:30, I would say. Yeah.
Oh, crazy. And then I think because in Ireland now, sunrise is early. So you'd probably get sunrise maybe, yeah, around 6:30 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Okay.
sunset's probably 6, quite early. Short days in the winter in Ireland. Yeah,
It is. And why did you choose Turkey?
it's beautiful. There's an awful lot of history here, like a lot, everywhere you walk. And they're still figuring out more and discovering more, excavating more.
Mm-hmm.
So you see it happen even as you're walking down the street. You can see people working and people finding out new parts of history. So it's very interesting, very rich
Ah,
culture.
okay. That's cool.
Yeah, very, very cool. They have tombs just as you walk down the street and you can see, and it's the the history between Greece and Turkey and the Lycians and the Romans coming in, and then and just having all of that around is is very prevalent. So it's interesting to see it up close.
And
And
what do you do in the evening?
what do I teach?
Okay, so most of the time you teach?
No, so well, kind of. So I teach in the morning, and then I have a big break in the day, and then I start teaching again at 5.
Okay, and apart from teaching, what do you do when you go outside?
Usually I'd go hiking or I'd do yoga or I'd kind of hang out with friends that are here or go to towns. The cash town is very nice, but usually hiking if I can and swimming because we're right by the sea here.
Oh, okay, it's too close. How far the sea from you?
It's
Oh,
very,
you
very
gonna
close.
show me?
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's very close.
Oh, you are on the bank.
So we're on a peninsula. So you have the south of Turkey is very, very mountainous. And we were out in the
Hmm.
peninsula of a small town called Cash. And so it's just the sea all around us. It's beautiful. And for me, the water's warm. For
What's
me,
what's the name of the sea? I'm kind of
Cash.
forget it. Caspian,
Oh, sorry, the name of the sea is the Mediterranean.
Mediterranean. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you're saying Caspian,
No,
but
no,
it's not.
sorry, I'm in
Caspian
Cash.
in Russia,
Yes. No, no, I'm in Cash. In
Mediterranean.
yeah, in the Mediterranean. Yeah. It's very
It's so
nice.
beautiful. It's so beautiful to hang out at the bank of the sea or river something.
This
But
is why
and
being from
especially the
Ireland.
wind, especially the wind in the early morning or in the
Yeah,
evening time. So cool wind, and you are like just want to relax.
yeah, for sure. And you see that sometimes the ocean would be going crazy. Last night we saw a lightning storm, but it was
Oh,
a light heat lightning, so without the thunder. And it was very,
without
very
thunder.
interesting. Yeah, it's very cool.
So do you like to see or do you like to hear the thunder?
I like to see it. Both, to be honest. It makes me excited. I really enjoy it. But seeing lightning, amazing. There's nothing like it.
It's okay, so it's in your destiny.
Ah, I hear it
and
every time, every time.
and it's in my destiny to talk to destiny today.
This is it. Yeah, for sure, for sure. And tell me, why are you learning English? Why are you practicing?
Okay, so cool. So as I told you that I've got a YouTube channel. Do you
You didn't.
remember?
mm,
I asked you and you gave me the permission. I asked you that I have a YouTube channel and I make videos about
Oh,
English
okay.
vocabulary, and then I upload the conversation on my channel.
Oh, that was you. Oh, I see.
Oh,
That was a few days
actually,
ago.
yes. Actually, I didn't ask you before the conversation. That's why
Yeah.
you forgot.
Well, yeah, yeah, it would be because it was a few days ago. I wouldn't remember because there's a lot of people that would kind of text me, you know.
But
And is
n-
it this
but
one?
I hope now you recognized me.
You hope I say again?
You recognized me now. I hope.
Yes. No, for sure. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
And what's
Cool,
the
cool.
purpose of the YouTube channel? It's to help other people learn English.
Absolutely. Actually, the English learners generally they think of how to speak, how to make
Mm.
a conversation, or maybe a beginning